A delightful treat made from sweet, juicy pears wrapped in a golden, flaky pastry. Each piece is baked to perfection until the edges turn crisp and buttery, holding the tender pear inside. Let's start by preparing all the ingredients. Begin by peeling the pears. Once the skin is removed, slice a little bit from the bottom of each pear so they can stand upright without wobbling. This will make them easier to wrap with pastry and bake evenly. Next, carefully hollow out the center of each pear to remove the core. Take your time so the pear stays intact. Now, take your Brie cheese and cut it into small cubes. These will fit perfectly inside the hollowed pears and melt into a creamy, delicious center. Once the core is out, stuff the hollow space with Brie. Next, take your puff pastry sheet and cut it in half. Cut the first half into 3 even squares. These will be the base for our pears. Now use the remaining pastry to cut long, thin strips. Take each pear and place it upright on one of the pastry squares. Next, gently wrap the thin pastry strips around the pear in a spiral pattern, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Make sure the strips overlap slightly so they hold together while baking and create that beautiful pastry wrapped look. Once the pears are wrapped, place them on a lined baking tray, leaving a little space between each one. Take 2 egg yolks and beat until smooth. Brush each wrapped pear with the beaten egg yolk, making sure to coat the pastry evenly. Then lightly sprinkle powdered sugar over the top to give it a sweet, caramelized finish when it bakes. Place the tray in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake for about 30 minutes, or until the pastry turns beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once the pears are done, transfer them onto a serving dish while they're still warm. Drizzle a little honey over the top and add another light dusting of icing sugar. Serve warm and enjoy this delicious treat. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your treat and happy cooking.